Good morning, everybody. You take a look at my watch. You'll see it's 8 degrees outside today. And I have this really big family room here. It's got 16-foot ceilings. It's 24 by 24. It's open to the kitchen. And the kitchen has no heat in it, for whatever reason, by design. Probably no room for baseboard. Now, this room gets cold, and when it's 8 degrees out, or even if it's kind of below 20, the heat in here, the baseboard in here, cannot adequately maintain temperature in the room. So right now, actually I'm going to show you here. This is reading at 0 degrees outside. The heat is set to 71 in here, but yet it can only maintain 66. So that means the heat is going to run constantly all day today. And that's okay, I understand that. But 2 years ago we had this fireplace insert put in, and it has been an absolute godsend. So let's turn this on, and we will get this room warmed up, and then it will be very comfortable. All right? Now I'll probably have to turn this on a couple of times today, but we have this remote. Okay? You can see it. Okay. Now I'm going to set my flame height today to probably be 2. And my fan speed, that was my fan speed. My flame height to be 2, and my fan speed to be 2. Now in a few minutes, that'll heat up inside there. The fan will kick on, and everything is going to be starting to warm up in here. And this room will get up to 71 probably in about, well, maybe 25 minutes. But without this fireplace insert, this room would be very cold today. So now I made my coffee. I'm gonna sit on my couch, and I can already feel the heat over here coming across my feet. Yeah, beautiful. If you have a cold room, I highly recommend you think about getting a fireplace insert. This one happens to be natural gas. Take care and stay warm today.